Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that this is our online English literature class and we were doing lesson number 5, the happy field, revision number 2. Today we are going to do revision number 2. Yesterday I gave you revision number 1 and I hope that you all have completed your revision 1 of the same chapter. Those who have not completed, children, please complete your work. And one main important information I want to give you all, that from October 5th you will be having your main midterm examination. Okay, so start preparing, start learning your work, okay, and complete all your work, those who have not completed. If you will not complete, you will not be able to give the exams properly. And please get your copies corrected also, so that there are marks for assignments. Okay, there are marks for your copies, 10 marks for your copies. So please note that all your work is completed and you will get your copies signed by me. Is that clear? Now coming back to the revision part. So today we are going to do fill in the blanks, then question answers, and then make sentences. Is that clear? So first part is fill in the blanks. Now first fill in the blank is, as you all know that children, I will explain you the revision with answers, but with the video, when I will give you the assignment, in that assignment answers will not be written. Okay, you will write the answers on your own, and revision work you have to complete in your revision copies. No one will do the revision work in your main literature copies, but you will do it in your revision copies. Okay, now coming to the first part, fill in the blanks. First sentence is, the field decided to grow a dash. Field ने क्या ग्रो करने का डिसाइड किया था अपने अंदर? hump, hump, hump. Okay, second, as a hump came up in one part, in the other part a dash appeared. जब एक पार्ट की फील्ड के एक पार्ट में hump appear हुआ था, तो दूसरे पार्ट में क्या हुआ था, क्या बन गया था? hollow, hollow, hollow. Is that clear? Now the third sentence, the field dash his new friends. field ने अपने नए friends को loved. The field loved his new friends. उसको बहुत अच्छे लगे थे उसके new friends. loved, loved. Fourth sentence is, the flowers brought pretty butterflies. Flowers से कौन आए? Pretty butterflies. butterflies, butterflies. Is that clear? Now the fifth sentence, the bees took the dash from the flowers and made sweet honey. Bees फ्लावर्स में से क्या ले जाते हैं और स्वीट हनी बनाते हैं? नेक्टर, nectar, nectar. Is that clear? There are 5 fill in the blanks, children. I hope you all have understood. Once again, I am repeating the fill in the blanks. Those who have missed any part, you can listen to it carefully now. First fill in the blank is, the field decided to grow a hump, hump, hump. As a hump came up in one part, in the other part a dash appeared, hollow appeared, hollow, hollow. Third is, the field loved his new friends. फील्ड को अपने जो नए फ्रेंड्स बने थे बहुत अच्छे प्यारे लगे. Fourth is, the flowers brought pretty butterflies. Fifth one is, the bees took the nectar from the flowers and made sweet honey. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood the first part of fill in the blanks. Now coming to the second part, that is question answers. Now again with the question answers also, children, I will do the same thing, that I will explain you both question and answers, but in the assignment I will not write the answers. Okay, so the first question is, why did the field look plain and dull in the beginning? शुरू में field plain और dull क्यों लगती थी? So the answer is, the field looked plain and dull in the beginning because it was only covered with green grass. वो सिर्फ field जो थी वो सिर्फ ग्रीन ग्रास से कवर्ड थी और उसमें कोई भी चीज़ें नहीं थी, ना फ्लावर्स थे, ना उसमें पॉन्ड था, रिवर था, कुछ भी नहीं था. So that's why it was looking plain and dull. It was having only covered with green grass. Okay. Now coming to the second question, how did the field grow a hump? Field ने अपने ऊपर एक hump कैसे grow किया? The field pushed in a rough way. उसने अपने आप को pushed किया बहुत rough way में till it grew a beautiful hump. जब तक उसमें एक beautiful सा hump नहीं होगा. Okay, so again I am repeating the first question. Why did the field look plain and dull in the beginning? The field looked plain and dull in the beginning because it was only covered with green grass. Okay, and the second question is, how did the field grow a hump? The field pushed in a rough way till it grew a beautiful hump. Is that clear? I hope you all have understood these two questions. Now coming to the third question, that is, what did the cloud do to the hollow in the ground? Cloud ने क्या किया था जो ग्राउंड में एक हॉलो बन गया था? सो द आंसर इज द क्लाउड पोर्ड द रेन इनटू द हॉलो. क्लाउड ने क्या पोर किया था? रेन. उसमें रेन को भर दिया था हॉलो के अंदर. ओके, सो द आंसर इज द क्लाउड पोर्ड द रेन इनटू द हॉलो. नाउ द लास्ट फोर्थ क्वेश्चन इज, हु टुक द नेक्टर फ्रॉम द फ्लावर्स? फ्लावर्स में से नेक्टर कौन लेता था? एंड व्हाट डिड दे डू विद इट? और उस नेक्टर से क्या करते? So the answer is the butterflies and the bees took nectar from the flowers. The bees made sweet honey from the nectar. जो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, who took the nectar from the flowers, उसका आंसर है the butterflies and the bees took nectar from the flowers. कौन लेता था? Butterflies and bees. And what did they do with it? The bees made sweet honey from the nectar. Bees जो थे वो नेक्टर से स्वीट हनी बनाते थे. इज दैट क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? आई होप दीज टू क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू ऑल. नाउ अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट डिड द क्लाउड डू टू द हॉलो इन द ग्राउंड? द आंसर इज द क्लाउड पोर्ड द रेन इनटू द हॉलो. Fourth question is, who took the nectar from the flowers? What did they do with it? Answer is the butterflies and the bees took nectar from the flowers. The bees made sweet honey from the nectar. Now children, I hope these four question answers are all clear to you all. Okay, now coming to the third part, that is the last part for today's revision. Okay, that is make sentences. Now in this you can write the sentences of your own also, on your own. Okay, like I have written delicious, the word is delicious, and I have made the sentence, my mother cooks delicious food. You can write any other sentence also, but remember, the meaning of the sentence should be clear and it should be written in a correct language. Okay, so the first word is delicious. Sentence is, my mother cooks delicious food. Okay, second is poured. The clouds poured the rain in the hollow. Third is butterflies. There are pretty butterflies in the garden. Is that clear? So there are three words. First is delicious. My mother cooks delicious food. Second is poured. The clouds poured the rain in the hollow. And the third is butterflies. There are pretty butterflies in the garden. So I hope you all have understood all the three make sentences, children. I think there will be no problem for any of you to complete the revision part, but in case anybody is having any problem, you can just send me message in my in the comment box and you can ask your queries. Okay, now again I am repeating, children, very important notice that your exams, main exams, midterm exams are going to start from October 5. So be prepared, start learning, complete all your work which I have given you till now, and get your copies corrected, because there will be marks for your copies correction. Okay, 10 marks. Okay, there will be 10 marks for your copies. Is that clear, children? So I hope you will all complete your work, and till my next video I want you all to complete the work, revision work till here. Okay, now till my next video, children, complete all your work, as I have to leave now. So bye bye, take care, stay at home, stay safe.